We all got matching t-shirts. We're so stupid. Raspberry, matcha. It smells so good, I'm gonna cry. The tea is so hot right now. We are going to Disney World today. I am meeting my friends Isabella and SG at Animal Kingdom tonight, and I'm so excited. We're gonna have a little Disney girls night, which we actually did this last week. We went to Epcot for a girls night and we're like, let's make this a regular thing. That's the beauty of living in Central Florida, having an annual pass to Disney World and just being able to casually pop over into the park and meet your friends for a girls night. Let me show you my outfit, even though it's like not that cute. I've kind of put this outfit on with the hopes that I'll find some cute merch that I can buy at Animal Kingdom. Like a cute oversized tee or something that I can buy and then wear for the rest of the day. So this is what I'm wearing. This sweater is very, very thin, so I don't think it'll be too hot, but I've got on my little Lululemon Align biker shorts that I'm always wearing. This hat is so cute. It says Nashville on it, and it's from Brandy Melville. Got it last time I was in Nashville. My little Coach Tabby bag that I wear all the time, and then my little Coach slides. I've got my big old jug of water, and we are off to Disney World. I made it to Animal Kingdom. I think I'm the first one here. I just parked, so I'm gonna head in, and I think I'm gonna go straight to Starbucks and get a matcha. Waiting on the girls to come meet me, and I kind of am loving this little Mickey trucker hat. It's really cute, but I'm not obsessed. It's looking really bright in the light for some reason. Cute hat here. This lighting is pretty bad. I love this so much. It's a Hakuna Matata, and wait for the back.
Jaw drop.
How cute is the back? So we're all gonna get matching shirts. I'm vlogging, I really am. I vlogged yesterday too.
My jaw dropped. Like I heard you talking to the camera and I was like, she's back, she's back.
These are my cheerleaders.
We are Sophie Stein's biggest fans.
No, literally, the break was too long.
They've been bullying me to start vlogging again for months.
And it works.
So. It works.
We are. We do it for the fans.
What is that?
The tail. It completes your Lion King
A little
set.
tail. Should we all have matching tails as well?
No, just you.
Oh, just me. Okay. Yeah, that doesn't help me bullying at all. The bullying continues. Trying to make me, trying to sabotage my image.
No, it would be the queen. The queen has the tail. See?
Agreed. Your outfit is so cute.
Yeah.
It's so cute. The girls have arrived. We have been doing some shopping, and we all got matching t-shirts. Lion King, because, you know, Lion King is literally my favorite movie of all time. The sweater is definitely a little bit toasty. It's a little toasty here.
It's a little toasty tonight.
I'm so excited to match.
For sure.
Sophie, I have that grande matcha green tea.
Thank you so much.
Go, of course.
I got the shot, you guys.
You got the shot. She's wild.
That is risky.
Literally,
did you guys see that? Her
I'm walking on the wild side.
camera,
She's like
everything was
the wildness of this park.
on the edge.
For
It
real.
says embrace your wild side, and I said, correct.
We have the videographer Isabella behind the scenes, producer, videographer extraordinaire. Don't fall over, just walk.
Just tell me, make sure you know.
I will let you know.
Yeah, just tell me where I'm going.
I got a, not strawberry, raspberry matcha, 1 pump of raspberry, coconut milk, iced. It's so good. It's genuinely, I think it's gonna be my summer drink. We just took some cute pictures.
Tell them where we're going.
Are you good? You're gonna go downhill a little bit.
Okay.
We are heading to the Lion King Theater to take a cute picture with our Lion King shirts, our matching Lion King shirts, SG. And actually all 3 of us got them, so you're gonna put yours on?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on.
There's nothing cuter than a Disney duck. SG found the cutest little spot back here.
It's perfect.
It's perfect, there's nobody here, it's like abandoned. I mean, the park is gonna close kind of soon, but got some Pinterest inspo. SG is the queen of content. Isabella is the queen of producing content. And I'm just here for the vibes. I don't know my pose, you guys. I still don't know. Look at my butt.
Okay, wait.
You have a cute butt, Sophie.
I was literally sailing the seas.
Where are we going?
It's like, what's the next pose?
These are golden. Oh, that one's freaking cute. I like that one the most. We are a sideshow. That is cute.
Can I get a solo shot?
Yes.
We have been in this spot for about
So cute.
15-20 minutes.
Cute. Arms up.
Getting some solo shots.
Both arms up.
I can't jump off the ground at all. Ready? This is my hops.
It's pretty good.
All I got.
No, but like, how is it perfect?
That's amazing.
Please.
Isabella goes, jump. We just did a full-blown photo shoot.
Full blown. We
in
thought
our
we were gonna
contest
ride one ride.
t-shirts.
No.
Absolutely not. This was worth it. These t-shirts are the best thing to happen to this
Have you
friend
ever
group.
been to
literally.
Disney and done nothing?
Yes, every time.
Highly recommend.
Every time I go.
It's gorgeous. I didn't know we could see the tree from this spot. So amazing. We just took some pictures in front of the Tree of Life and like golden hour vibes, and it was so beautiful. But I think we're about to go ride Everest and I'm very excited about it. I don't think I've ever been in this park when it's like sunset time and like night, and it's just extra magical, and I'm kind of getting emotional because it's so cute here and I just love Disney. And this park is just really special. I feel like Animal Kingdom might be my new favorite park at the moment. I kind of rotate my favorite parks. I think I usually just say Epcot because it's Epcot and I love it, and I love all the food and the vibes of the countries. But today I'm feeling like Animal Kingdom might be my favorite park. She got her treat!
Got my treat!
It's a little 50th anniversary Mickey bar.
Finally trying this 50th treat. So good.
Does it taste like a regular Mickey bar?
No,
It has like a
special.
What is the flavor?
It's like blueberry.
Can I actually bite off of it?
Yeah.
Wait, no, it's actually amazing. Wow. No, it's so good. Yeah.
It's so good. I'm so sad I waited until now to try it.
That's really good.
Wow.
We sprinted. We're going through the line to Everest now because we sprinted here. It's 8 o'clock on the dot. I just saw you smiling at me from behind the thing and I was like, yeah! We just sprinted our butts off to make it on Everest in time. It's 8 o'clock on the dot and 8 o'clock is the cutoff. We gotta get on. The most chaotic 3 minutes of my life. Premium content.
This is memorable. This is magical.
This is really magical. Oh my god. You gotta take grip. Isabella getting a little gift. Oh my gosh, the time of our lives. I'm so happy y'all made it.
No, I'm
Did you
so
hear us
happy about it.
screaming?
Yes, I saw y'all coming down. I was down there. I was trying to get enough space to film it, and I didn't get.
We're heading out of Animal Kingdom now. We're gonna go to Sanaa, which is the Animal Kingdom Lodge, for dinner. They have been raving about this bread from this restaurant all day long, saying it's magical.
So good.
It comes with a bunch of sauces and it's supposed to be amazing and it's gonna blow my mind.
It is.
Oh my goodness, this hotel. What the heck, it's so beautiful.
Like, this is a cute date night spot.
Is this Boma?
This is Boma down here, 10 out of 10. But then look how cute this is. Is this the little bar area? And you can vibe. It's so cute.
This is stunning. I love
Or
this
like you
so
come
much.
here, have a little drinky drink, and then you go down there.
I feel like I'm in a magical like tree house or something.
Right?
It just feels like one
I
big
love
tree
it.
house. Alright, so we're gonna start with the breads. The top that you see is our spicy naan. It's gonna be followed by a garlic ginger naan and our traditional naan there, which is the third. The darkest that you see is our paneer paratha. It is a paneer stuffed cheese bread with chopped jalapenos inside. The easiest way to remember the sauces, they go from the least spicy, which is the white, and circle all the way around to our spiciest, which are the two red sauces there. And my favorite is the coriander sauce and green mixed with that red pepper hummus. It's really tasty too. Feel free to mix and match and create your own flavors. That's the best part.
Thank you so much.
Of course. It smells so good, I'm gonna cry.
I got everyone zebra domes because they're the highlight of the Animal Kingdom Lodge. And so, but you have to have more than one. Like one is simply not enough to have the zebra dome experience. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited for you guys. Well, you've had them before, isn't it?
I've never had them.
You haven't either?
never had them. Hotel or one of them. Wow.
What? It's like a salted caramel flavor.
It tastes like it's not like vanilla. It's like almost. I'm like, is it spiked vanilla? Like I don't know.
It's almost like that toffee nut,
like a toffee.
salted caramel vibe.
I will like because it's one of my favorites. With dinner, it's not, and then.
Mommy's still rolling. I'll cut it out, but the tea is so hot right now.
Wow. Wow.